I hope it will stop later so we can go out with the kids. Hi, Steve. Good morning, Steve. Merry Christmas, Steve, later. Yeah. It's raining here. I can't go to the church. Maybe later. Yeah. I'll go later with Aljon and Jade. Malaya ka na. Oh my God. Thank you, Steve. Steve, what is your preparation later? Christmas. Do you guys cook something? Planning to go out? Nangarap pa rin kahit masakit. I don't have Santa this time. Yeah, I am waiting for him to give me a present. But I'm not really sure if I have Santa this time. I wish Santa will give something, or I don't know who is my Santa this time. I wish it was you. Do you need a Santa baby? Not really. Because I really don't have a Santa baby. I only have Aljon and Clyde and Jade. Yes. That's all I have. So I don't really expect Santa baby. It's too late. It's Christmas Day today, so I don't think if I can have it now. You're teasing. It's okay. Just be mindful what you're writing there, because YouTube is very sensitive. Excuse me. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Baka sakaling makita kitang muli. Pagsikat ng araw,